Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and that you know the password or can use Face ID/Touch ID. Once done, check the device is up to date. Older iOS versions change menu names. Now open Settings, tap your name at the top, then select Media and Purchases. Choose Password Settings. This navigates you to the control that governs when the App Store demands authentication, so you're in the right place to change behavior. Next, focus on the specific toggles. You'll see Require Password or Authentication for purchases and for free downloads. Change the setting you need. Turn Require Password off for free downloads or set the purchase prompt to require after 15 minutes. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled under Settings right arrow Face ID and passcode so biometric authentication replaces typing the password. Once changed, the system will apply the new policy. Finish by confirming the switches and leaving the menu, then test with a free app download to verify no password prompt appears. If prompts persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart the device to refresh settings. Make sure screen time restrictions and family sharing permissions aren't enforcing purchase approvals. If nothing helps, update iOS and try again. These steps resolve most issues. If you still see a prompt, revert the change and retry, each step slowly to locate the blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.